Kids.
Today we are going to learn counting from 1 to 10 with spellings. 1. O-N-E, 1. 1 lion. 2. T-W-O, 2. 2 tigers. 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 3 elephants. 4. F-O-U-R, 4. 4 giraffes. 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 5 monkeys. 6. S-I-X, 6. 6 bears. 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 7 pandas. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 8 goats. 9. N-I-N-E, 9. 9 parrots. 10. T-E-N, 10. 10 owls. Great job! You've learned to count from 1 to 10 with spellings. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more fun learning.